ready to make your Squarespace buttons pop and perfectly represent your brand. Let's dive into customizing your button colors first. Log into your Squarespace website editor. Navigate to the Design tab in your left-hand menu. Within the Design menu, select Site Styles. This is where the magic happens. We're going to look for the button settings. Scroll down until you find the Buttons section. You might see options for Primary Button and Secondary Button, or similar labels depending on your Squarespace version. Let's start with the Primary Button. You'll see several color options here. Click on the color swatch next to Background to change the button's main color. A color picker will pop up. You can either choose a color from the palette, enter a specific hex code for your brand color, or use the eyedropper tool to pick a color from your site's existing design. Once you've selected your desired color, click outside the color picker to close it. You'll immediately see the change reflected on your website preview. Now you can also adjust the text color and border color for your primary button to ensure readability and a cohesive look. Repeat these steps for your secondary button. If you have one, this allows you to create different visual hierarchy for your calls to action. Once you're happy with all your button color choices, be sure to click the Save button, usually found at the top left of the Site Styles panel. And there you have it. Your Squarespace buttons are now customized to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic, making your calls to action more effective and your website visually unified.